Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So I am so excited, guys. So it is Saturday when I'm filming and I got home today and this package had arrived. And of course it is from Denise over at Wondubar Crafts. So if you guys are not familiar, I will make sure to put her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. But I had entered a giveaway and actually won, if you could believe it, and it is an amazing prize. So since it came today, I'm super excited. I did open it up because of course she had to put a lot of tape on it, and I opened up this flap here because it has her address on it and I don't want to show that. So what I'm going to do is just open it up, take everything out, then I'll move the box, adjust the camera. But yeah, this is just going to be an unboxing of my winnings. Thank you, Denise, from Denise over at Wondubar Crafts. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. So let's see. Alright, so I'm not sure what this is, so we're just going to take this out here. And yeah, so I will get the box out of the way. We may not need to adjust the camera. Nope, I think we're good. You can see my legs down here, so yeah, maybe we'll adjust it just a tad. There we go. Okay, so look. Oh, we have, oh, look, a little note. Lori, congratulations, my sweet friend. To know this tool will get a lot of use making your beautiful ephemera. I also hope you like the pink on pink bow koozies. Oh, what is that? Hugs, love, and blessings, Denise. Alright, so we have this little pack here, and this she sends out in all her orders. Excuse me, and it's just got a altered paper clip. It has her, let me pull out her card, guys, from her Etsy shop, and she is where I get all of my avocado dyed paper from, and it is Wondubar Crafts. So I will go ahead and link her Etsy down below too, because if you haven't checked out her avocado, you definitely need to, because I am in love and obsessed, and I have been for like, oh gosh, I don't know, Denise, what, a year and a half? No, December, like 2 years now going on, right? Man, it's hard to believe. She was actually one of the first shops that I even bought anything from, because it took me just a little while when I started making handmade journals and junk journals. It took me a little while to get me a printer, a decent printer, so I could start buying digitals. So yeah, so you guys go and check out Denise. And by the way, guys, I actually have my very first journal that I purchased was from Denise, and it is amazing. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Came in the most beautiful box. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Nope, let's go ahead and show you this. So this is the prize. This is what I actually won, guys. And this is amazing. Okay, so this is called the Works All-in-One Tool, and this is from We Are Memory Keepers. So let's see, combines over a dozen must-have tools into one convenient design. So this thing just does everything. Let's see, guys. So we have a corner rounder, hole punch, stamp press and magnet, tab maker, scoreboard, envelope maker, tag maker, banner maker. Hold on, guys, let me catch my breath. Magnet base. What else do we have? Bone folder, trimmer, some kind of trimmer. But yeah, it's got pegs to create pom-poms, bows, and tassels. Bow maker, pom-pom maker, tassel maker. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Denise, you have absolutely no idea how excited I am to get this little thing out and start learning how to do some things. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Thank you so much. I so appreciate that. Okay, so let's see what this is. I have no clue. Let's see. Is that what she said in her little note? Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my gosh. That's right. Oh my gosh, Denise. I am in love. Okay, guys, so in one of her videos, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, Lori, gather yourself. Okay, guys, so in one of her videos, right, She was showing these, and she was talking about making something with Love, my beautiful friend. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are bowl cozy. And it is intended for extended use in the microwave. Alright, so what you actually do, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I just got cold chills. Look at that beautiful pattern she used. Oh, and y'all, and she knows how much I love, love, love pink. Okay, guys, so what you do with these is, you know, if you got a hot bowl of soup or something and you want to eat it, and your soup is hot, I'm just going to use this as an example. So you take your bowl, and you can actually put this in the microwave if you want to, but you can put this down, put your bowl here, fill it up with your soup, and then you can hold it with this and take it to the table or wherever it is you're going to eat. Or if you're eating and you're holding your bowl of soup, your hands don't get hot. How clever. Clever. I have never in my life heard of these. So she actually gives you heating instructions. Let's see. Yeah, so it gives you all the heating instructions. It gives you the care and washing instructions. Oh, wow. It's microwavable safe. So these are amazing. Denise, thank you so much. I am absolutely in love with these. Oh my gosh. Wow. I just don't know what to say. These are absolutely amazing, guys. So again, I am going to link her YouTube channel. So if you don't follow her, please go over and do so, because she makes some amazing things. And like I told you guys, you know, my very first journal I ever purchased was from Denise, and I still absolutely love it. I think it was maybe around Valentine's Day, year before last. So next February will be like 2 years. When I purchased my first journal, and yes, I still love it just as much today as I did then. Denise, thank you so much for this, and again, thank you so much for the Works all-in-one tool. It will be it will be used and used and used and used. So I am excited about playing around with my new tool. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. You guys, please go over and check out Denise's channel. Again, it's Wondubar Crafts. I will make sure to link her YouTube and her Etsy shop below. Thank you, guys. I'm going to go play with my new tool. Bye, guys.